Hi, I'm Elia Jones, licensed professional counselor in Suwanee, Georgia. I wanted to talk to you about something you can do to improve an argument when the fight has already started. John Gottman talks about how successful, healthy marriages do this one thing called a repair attempt. That is when you're in the middle of an argument and you do anything or say anything that indicates to the other partner that you are trying to de-escalate and to make the fight better. It indicates your wishes for the argument to not go sideways. And so it does have a really important and deep, meaningful impact on the argument. It could be something like you saying, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, or I'm starting to feel defensive. Let me take a minute. It can be asking for time and say, hey, can we pick this back up in about 20 minutes? I just need to go for a walk and clear my head. That is a way in which you're saying, I need to calm myself down so I can be a better listener. It could also be use of humor, making an inside joke, or kind of taking a moment away from the fight to say something you love about your partner. Every once in a while, in the middle of argument with my spouse, I will say, but hey, you're the best. And that is one way that I indicate I don't want this fight to get ugly or get mean. It can be saying sorry. It can be agreeing to one part of what the other person's saying. Like, hey, you have a really good point about this. I need to think about that. Maybe we can come up with something because that is a good point. Anything that you say that does let your partner know that you're wishing to be fair and compassionate is called a repair attempt, and it can really have a powerful impact on how fights end. And that is what makes successful marriages successful. I hope this information was helpful. Please like or subscribe if you want to see any more of my content. Thanks.